Hello everyone, my name is Tejasvi Jadhav and today's date is 13 August 2021 and our today's video topic is encapsulation. So encapsulation means what? Then we see the get and set method. Then we see the one of the example of the encapsulation. So what is meant by the encapsulation? Encapsulation is basically means what? Encapsulation means it's hiding and it's data abstraction in a one method. So it's called the encapsulation. So we'll see what is meant by the encapsulation in a real time. If we take one of the capsule, in a capsule means what? Capsule is a combination of multiple of the medicines. One than more medicine is combined, then it made with capsule. So the same happen with the encapsulation. In encapsulation, our class and methods in one object. So it's a encapsulation. So it is a example of the encapsulation. So capsule is one of the example of the encapsulation. So in a encapsulation, our class member, our method is combined with the one method. So it's a encapsulation. So encapsulation is basically used for the our data make private and data. It's also used for data abstraction. So in abstraction there are most of time our incomplete methods. So we see the one of the example of encapsulation. So we see the one of the example of encapsulation. So first we see what is happen in a encapsulation. So encapsulation there are must required our variable is private and the method is public. So we can access our data by using the get and the set method. So it must for the operation of the encapsulation, our data is variable, data is private and our method is public. So it is a basic rule of the encapsulation. So we see one of the example of encapsulation. So we'll create one of the class, and in that class we take one of the variable. We take one of the variable is private variable num1. So it's a private variable number 1. So we again take the two method. First one we take one method is public void set value. Then we take next method is public it's return type method. So we write a public int get value. So we create two method, public void set value for the set the value, and the second one method is public int get value for the getting the value at the output. So this two method we can take. When we execute the program, for the execution we create an object for that execution. So we create class ABC. In that class we create the private variable num1. So we create object of ABC. So how can we create the object? We create object as like ABC. Then we write AB is a reference address. Then we write the new keyword. Then we write the constructor name ABC as the we create our object. So ABC our class name. Then we write a reference variable AB that pointed to our object. Then we write the new keyword for the creating new object. We write the new. Then we create the constructor ABC. So that's the way we create our object of the class ABC. Then by using the AB reference variable, we call our um, method. Then by using the AB variable, we our first one is the set value. So we write AB dot value, AB dot num. Then we write sum of the numbers, means we write the 10, AB dot num1 is equal to 10, and then we execute. Then when the execute, it give the error. Why it's give the error? It gives error because we only write AB dot value, AB dot num1, but here compiler does not know how to access the private data in a public. So there is we need to write the set value for the setting the value. So there we write AB dot set value, then we giving some initialize the value, then the it pass to the our reference variable and is go to the address. Then we get the value at the int variable num is equal to 10. So there is we need to write the set value method. So that's way to set our value to the our number 1. By using the set value, we set the value to that variable. So set value is help us to set the value to the private variable. It a way to it's set value. It is a way that way to connect it to the private data to the publicly by using the set value. So it is a main advantage of the encapsulation is that it security purpose is most important. So our data can securely handle by using the encapsulation. So second one is our get value method. So at the output, how can we get value at the output? So there is we need the get value method. Why we need the get value method? Without get value method, we why not access? Because our num variable is our private, so we can't access without the get value method. So how can we achieve data at the output? So in a sysout, we write sysout AB, our reference variable AB, then we give dot, then we write the get value, then at the output if we already passed the, then at the output we get the 10. So that's way we get the output at the 10. So by using the encapsulation, our data can be accessed privately to the public by using the get and set value. So get and set two methods are important for the encapsulation. Set values, what can be done do set value basically give the value or set the value or change the value and initialize the value for the reference variable for the variable. And get value, what can we do? The get value, it returns the value at the we initialize or we change or we give the some input, it gives at the output. So it's works of the our get value method. So in encapsulation, get value and set value methods, two methods are important. So in encapsulation, points for remembering is what? In encapsulation, first one is remember that our data means our variable data is always private and our method is always the public key. So our two methods can be used in a encapsulation. first one is set value method, and second one is get value method. By using the set value method, we set the value, and by using the get value method, we get the value at the output. So encapsulation means basically what we understand. Encapsulation means we hide our data, means in this example we hide our data, means we don't know what is our data. So by using the set value we set data, and by using the get value we get the data. So by this way we get hiding and abstraction is possible. How we hide the data? By using the private we hide our data, and by using the get and set we abstraction is our abstraction is possible by using the get and set. So encapsulation is a combination of the hiding and data implementation. So this is about the encapsulation. Thank you.